comes in the daylight, you got me calling it all time.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and that is a mini vlog between husband and wife, you guys. Perhaps might be the first vlog we see of them together, even though Olali is not showing his face in the video. This video was actually posted by Olani on his Instagram stories, guys, and I was just thinking, remember the time when Vuyokazi said, guys, that she wants to keep her private life private? I thought she was joking. I really thought she was joking, but like hardly ever post anything. If she's gonna post something, she's gonna post something concerning like work or her child. But ever since her lobola lunch or her lobola negotiations or her wedding, a traditional wedding happened, can hardly post anything. Rubikolani posting on his side, but I guess that is fair enough because just because when you're no longer a person who posts, it does not mean that your partner must also stop posting. Like it's Olani is happy, he is celebrating his wife, so I got post that, guys, even though Vuyokazi is not no longer into that anymore. But anyway, good for her. I mean, like protect your mental health at all costs, girl. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about that. The lunch looked very cute with your oysters. The environment looked very cute. I mean, anyway, tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.